Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall this light fixture. This one comes with just a couple little screws here. Make sure your power is off and you just unscrew this little round screw portion here. This should just unscrew. There you are. And then the same thing with the other side. Just unscrew that. And then that should come down here. And then we just have our regular things, your wires. Just disconnect those. Make sure your power is off. It's always a good practice. Unscrew our white wire just like that. And then finally, we'll take off our ground here. Okay, no problem there at all. Easily uninstalled. And then if you want to remove this housing as well, the bracket, usually a light comes with its own bracket to install it into the junction box here. And then you can just unscrew those with where it's screwed in. Okay, no problem. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.